Welcome to the in front of your Redmi 12R, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we could see, the face unlock option works here, correct? And we just unlock the device without any problems in just 1 second. This is good result for the face unlock. You could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.